we are at Natural Transplants with Tasha. Tasha had her procedure yesterday, and how are you doing this morning?
I'm doing fairly well. The pain is minimal.
So, how did you sleep? We know nobody sleeps that good the first night, but
No.
so that people who are considering getting the procedure done are waiting to get the procedure done?
Yeah, it's not the first night's not exactly the most comfortable night, but it's no different than getting like micros in your head and you can't sleep exactly comfortable. So you gotta suffer through beauty. Beauty is pain.
And you ate dinner.
Mm-hmm.
You already went and I see that you already went and picked up your cup of coffee.
Yep, had to have some coffee this morning. I was so excited to have some caffeine.
And you've had approximately 20 hours to think about your procedure. So just so everybody hears it fresh from your mind, how was your day yesterday?
My day was pretty smooth. It was smoother than I expected. The team was awesome. The doctor was awesome, of course. Everybody worked together good. We joked, laughed, listened to music, watched movies, ate snacks. It was really more like you were just sitting around with a bunch of friends getting your hair done. That was pretty much it.
We try to make that relaxing atmosphere in our room.
You guys did a great job. It was awesome. I had an awesome experience, and anybody considering it should just come on down and do it. Don't think about it too long. Just do it.
Well, thank you.
Thank
you. Look forward to seeing your progress. We will follow along with you. I'll call you at 4 months, 9 months, 1 year, and we'll do FaceTime videos and see how you're progressing. And if you're ever down here in Fort Lauderdale again, I know you're going to stop in to say hi.
Right.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.